Plastic is one of the most commonly used materials in the world, but it's also one of the most harmful to the environment, humans, and other animals and species. Here's why. First and foremost, plastic takes a very long time to decompose, often hundreds of years. This means that every piece of plastic ever produced is still in the environment, either in a landfill or as litter in the oceans and other waterways. This is a major threat to wildlife, as plastic can entangle and suffocate animals, or be ingested and cause injury or death. Furthermore, plastic production contributes to air and water pollution, as it releases toxic chemicals into the environment during its production and disposal. These chemicals can have harmful effects on human health and the health of other species, as well as contribute to climate change. In addition to its environmental impact, plastic also exacerbates inequality, as the production and disposal of plastic often takes place in low-income communities and countries, exposing these communities to the negative health and environmental impacts of plastic production. To make matters worse, plastic has become a major contributor to ocean pollution, with millions of tons of plastic ending up in the world's oceans every year. This not only threatens marine life and biodiversity, but it also affects human health, as plastic particles can enter the food chain and be ingested by humans. Despite these negative impacts, plastic use continues to grow, with much of it being single-use and disposable, such as plastic bags, water bottles, and packaging. This only exacerbates the problem, as it adds to the amount of plastic in the environment and increases the demand for new plastic production. So, what can we do to address this problem? There are many steps that individuals and communities can take, such as reducing our use of single-use plastic, properly disposing of plastic, supporting companies and policies that prioritize sustainability and environmental protection, and advocating for systemic change. In conclusion, plastic is a major threat to the environment, human health, and other species, and it's up to all of us to work together to reduce its use and find more sustainable alternatives. By taking action and raising awareness, we can help to protect our planet and future generations from the harmful effects of plastic.